So did you two drive together?
Yes, we did. We are carpooling to save some money.
And the environment.
It doesn't make any sense. Why are you guys carpooling when you live so far apart? You literally have to drive past the store to pick each other up.
I'm surprised this hasn't occurred to either one of you during your long morning drives to each other's houses.
You know what, Cheyenne? You are really good at this logistics stuff. You should be planning everybody's carpools.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, you're really great at it.
You have a gift for logistics.
Oh, 'cause I could. I mean, I could do it right now.
Now would be great.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Get it, girl.
I got a map and marked down where everyone lived, and then I used logistics to figure out the most efficient carpools.
Wow, you really put a lot of effort into this.
Yeah, I haven't sold like anything today. Like nothing.
A few thoughts. You've got Mark riding with Terrence. They hate each other. Sarah and Rob are going through a divorce. Sarah had that secret family. Okay. So did Rob. You see this line between Heather and Cody? That's a river. So how are they carpooling? Submarine?
I don't.
Yeah,
okay.
Herman's riding with Rico, but Rico's got BO and Herman's dead. You can't put Phil with anyone Korean. He's not racist, he's too into it. And I wouldn't ride with Elias even if you promised to murder my entire family. But other than those, nice work.
And then I realized that Dom always says creepy things to women when he's alone with them. So I had him pick up Jared before Amanda. But then the problem was, who's driving Debbie? And then I remembered Debbie had that cocaine problem, so she can't smell a thing. Which brings us back to Kyle the farter.
Now, you know a lot of these people don't work the same shift, right?
Thank you for bringing that to my attention.
I mean, they wouldn't even be at the store at the same time.
Okay, yeah, I get your point. For each day of the week, each route has 3 variations, 1 primary and 2 alternates based on shifts and road closures. Now, if you're that week's ride captain, it's your responsibility to delegate and sub-delegate.
I'm sorry, I don't want to carpool.
Well, why wouldn't you?
My drive is my only me time, and I don't want to clean my car.
I agree. This just seems like I'd have to leave my house a lot earlier and get home a lot later.
I need my car here. It's where I go to cry at lunch.